I want to introduce Mr. David Thompson. He comes from us, from the Academy of Excellence, and is here to provide us with an interesting and intriguing presentation. So without further ado, I'm going to let him take the stage.
Because we're not going to talk about a mop and a bucket. Sorry. I know you were really looking forward to that. Right? We're not going to talk about a window squeegee or a microfiber rag or a brush mop or a disinfectant. What we are going to talk about is you. Is there anybody more important to you than you? Correct, thank you. A person who has responsibility to look after something. A caretaker, a giver, a governor, a guardian, an overseer. If you have the keys to a building, aren't you somebody that looks after something of value? You see, we need to know why we are who we are and be able to articulate that value. Now, that being said, let's go through, if you have a pencil and paper, you might want to use it.